Hey guys, welcome to Trending Tube. My name is Biswa. In this video, you can see multiple products from IKEA, which is mattress, mattress protector, and then pillows. So mattress have 90 days of exchange, free pickup, and free delivery. And there are different varieties of mattresses that you see here from the length, from the depth perspective, and also it comes with a 10 years of warranty. So you see from the depth, or the height. So from the lesser height, it comes with the Afjal, which is 10,000 rupees. You see, and the thickness perspective. So these all are foam mattresses, and the other one is Bagda, which is 15,000 rupees. Again, it is a memory foam mattresses, and the other product is Besteroy. Besteroy is again a little bit of more height in size, and there are other products. So all of the IKEA products comes with 10 years of mattress warranty, so you don't need to worry about it. Free pickup, 90 days of exchange. And I did use the product from IKEA, which is really good, and then the pillow and the mattress as well. So when it comes to mattress protector, that's a need, and the cheaper one comes with around 3,000 rupees in INR. You see this one, and the quality of this is again a really good quality. You just need to wash, and you need to keep it clean. And now let's go to the other one. The other mattress protector is 5,000 rupees, but the one which you can definitely opt for is 3,000 rupees one as well. Okay, so when we go to the pillow section, so there are different memory foam pillow available. It is ergonomic pillow. uh, you see this quality. This is for a single use. I am a single user, so one person can use it. The design is completely ergonomic, so that you don't get a headache or something. And yeah, that's all guys. I think the product from IKEA are really good, including memory foam pillow, mattress, and the mattress protector. If you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for further updates.